Ooh, ah, pull up, how about, ooh, ah, call it, I'm there. Ooh, ah, pull up, ooh, ah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Kina, and I want to say first of all, I don't know how to fix the settings on my camera, so I feel like it's not like showing the actual like color of me, like the brightness, so it looks kind of weird on camera. I feel like the color, basically I just tried to like fix up some stuff in my camera and it just, yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how to get it back. But anyways, we're going to be talking about this hair today. So I actually did these locks. They're up in a ponytail right now, but I'll put a clip and show you how they look down. As you can see, they are shorter than what I've had in the past. And I actually tried and I failed on the extended locks. And actually some of these are extended, but I had to cut them. Basically, these are the natural born locks in the natural kinky texture. And it is like this. You know what it reminds me of? I'm going to put a link to the video what it reminds me of. You guys, I'm gonna be real with y'all, I'm not really feeling this hair like I thought I was, so, or I would be. I feel like, okay, I know it said, what is this, like the natural kinky texture, but I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like when I put it in versus when it's like out before I put it in versus after I put it in, it looks totally different. And I've only had this hair in my head like a few days, but even after just putting it in and putting it in and everything, I do feel like it naturally gets kinkier. And that's maybe because I'm taking the lock and I'm opening it up and then I'm twirling my hair around it. So I'm like, well, maybe that's why. But I guess I'm not feeling this hair because I feel like it's too short. Like I like longer, but now, like, you know how y'all have this hairstyle, like, okay, you get your hair done, ooh, I don't know if I like it, let me put some makeup, let me get cute or whatever. So I'm like, maybe this is the type of hair, like, you gotta have full face on, because without, y'all, I felt like I was looking a hot mess, like for real. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna dress myself up and look good and then show the hair, go out. And I feel like I like it a little bit more, but like I said, with my locks, I love like length, so I feel like maybe that's why I'm not like head over heels over it. But yeah, this is an 18-inch, and the thing that I'm realizing is when it comes to any type of locks that are 18-inch, I need to get longer because my hair has gotten pretty long to where once I'm locking these up, like as I'm pulling my hair and like locking it around, it'll end to like right here, so I only have a little bit of like lock that doesn't have any of my hair on it left. And if I want to extend it, then it's going to be hard, you know, opening and all that. So I think next time I'm going to look for locks that are longer, no more 18-inch. I mean, it could be a way that I can do it to where my hair, maybe if I fold my hair up and then lock, yeah, I guess I could. But still, anyways, there's really not a lot to say about this hair. This reminds me of, I believe that was the model hair, and I'll put a picture of the hairstyle that I had that I'm talking about. It reminds me of, and this is the hair. This hair is, I would say, it's a little bit more kinky. That hair texture was more so like, it was kinky, but it wasn't like, it was soft kinky, if that makes sense. And this isn't too rough, but it has a nice slightly dry feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but basically I feel like this is more kinky than the other hair, the model locks. I think they were the model bow locks that I had in my head. But like I said, the lengths, okay, another thing I didn't like, oh my god, I remember. So with this 18-inch, with the bottom, of course it's going to be long, and I'll show you a video, but of course it's going to be long. And then the top, when I was putting them in, I was noticing that they were only stopping to about like maybe right here, while the other ones were stopping lower. So I felt like it was like layered locks, and I don't like the layered locks. Like I want them to be around the same length. You know, it doesn't have to be like perfect like this. It could just kind of be, you know, oh my god, it's a net in here. It could just kind of be more so almost the same length. But yeah, that's one thing that I did not like about these locks. And like I said, I started extending it, but with the extending locks, you guys, that takes time. Like you have to put these in and then extend the bottoms and wrap and wrap and wrap. And I thought to myself, because I started on this side, and I thought to myself, I feel like I've had locks that were that long anyways. Like no. So I took it down and I was like, I'm just gonna rock the actual length of this hair and that's exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, my parts are huge. So when I first did this hair, I was like, you know what, I want it to be medium size, because last time when I did the model locks, I actually had the medium size locks, and I did like the medium size squares. But at first I was like, I'm not gonna like the medium size, but I'm gonna try it, maybe I do. I ended up loving it. So I was like, let me go a little bit bigger. No, it's just I should have made like this one block into 4s. I think the next time I do locks, I'm gonna make them small again, like I did the Lisa Bonet inspired locks, because I was really feeling those. I really like those, and they lasted for like over 2 months, so they lasted for quite a while. But pretty much, yeah, that's it. I mean, you can do the open loop method. Another thing about this hair, it wasn't the easiest opening up, but you can, if you feel around, you can definitely feel, and you just kind of unravel it, so it opens like okay. I feel like the model hair, I'm not trying to compare those, but they kind of look alike, so I am kind of comparing them. But I feel like that hair was so easy to open, but also I noticed with that model hair, the top of my braid would show very easy, and I would have to go back every time I take my hair out of a ponytail, and I would have to I would have to push it to where it doesn't show the braid. With this hair, I do feel like, yeah, it does show the braid, but it's not as bad. And for me to have done these pretty big blocks, you could say, these squares, my braids, some of the braids were pretty thick, so trying to cover that, it was a lot, and I feel like overall it did cover, so that's a good thing. I was gonna go the extra step and actually add some human hair wavy at the ends, but I was like, I'm not gonna do all that. So yeah, this is the hair. And I just did my baby hairs, and I just left a little bit of hair out on the sides just to give it a little so overall, at first I did not like the hair, because like I said, it just looks too choppy. It looks like one length at the top part starts like a little bit below my shoulders, and then the next length starts down underneath that part, so I just didn't like that choppy look. Overall, I feel like with this hair, I'm probably going to be doing some updo styles, or when I do wear it down, I might just flip it this way and just go by my business, and then just keep kind of just messing with my edges. But I will say, y'all, I keep looking at the viewfinder, so don't think I'm just like not looking, but I'm over here looking, trying to mess with this hair. Y'all know when it's just like you like it, but then you feel like it's missing something. Like, I don't know, I don't know, I guess. And another thing, I think maybe I'm not used to short locks, and because here's the thing, you guys, the reason why I got this hair is because I was actually going to go to another hair store, and I was going to get some actual crochet hair. Well, I was like, you know what, I'm already in this area, and it's a hair store right here, so let me go here and let me see what they have. Well, they didn't have the crochet hair that I was looking for, so I'm like, you know what, let me see what they got. And then I seen that they had the Janet Collection Natural Born Locs, and they had buy 3 get 1 free. So I was like, you know what, that sounds like a really good deal. So, and it was $8.99 a pack as well. The only thing is, they only had the 18-inch, so I don't know if they have longer lengths or not. Like, maybe that's why everybody's extending it, I don't know. But yeah, they only had the 18-inch, so I was like, you know what, I liked it. And oh, by the way, I didn't even tell y'all, this is colored 4. I always forget to tell you. So basically, I've realized that when it comes to like locks and stuff, I don't like for them to be very dark. I don't like the color 1. I'm not a fan of the 1B anymore. Number 2 is even too dark for me, so I feel like number 4, it kind of complements my skin a little bit more. It's not as harsh, so I'm trying to get away from like the 1Bs, the 2s, and even now starting, well, I want to try to, like, when I get like hair to review, if it's like a wig or like what do you call them, or like tracks or something like that, I want to start just dyeing in different colors, just trying different things on my complexion, and also so you guys can be able to see like if this hair dyes, if it doesn't, and then of course just see, like, you know, if it looks good or not. Because I feel like after a while, like if I keep testing these locks and stuff and they're all jet black or they're all black, it's like, ugh, it gets boring. So yeah, I just was like, you know what, I want to complement my skin better, and also just like figure out what color like fits my complexion the best, instead of just always doing the color 1, color 1B, color 2, you know. I really want to go like blonde. I actually have some blonde locks. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it somewhere. around here, but that hair was beautiful. It was locks, and I loved the color. I just loved it. It was really vibrant to me. It brought out my complexion. It was really pretty. And a lot of times I think we kind of get a little nervous about stepping outside of our comfort zone when it comes to different colors on us. Definitely try, you guys. Try to step out your comfort zone, because to be real with you, like, you never know. It could be a color that you didn't even think that you would like and you love it. So yeah, that's why I'm like, I'm just gonna step out my comfort zone, da 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 da. But yeah, overall, back to this hair. I guess now looking at it, it's kind of cute, but you know, he put the face, but don't know. I'm like, okay, you know, but I don't know, y'all. This isn't my favorite, but the texture, if you're going for like something that looks extremely natural, I would definitely say try this, because look, it's very natural. And then the 18-inch, of course. You sure? If you have any more questions, definitely link it in the comment box. If you have any questions, definitely put it in the comment box below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment, subscribe, like, comment. How do you? See, this, I can't keep up with all of that, y'all. Just, yeah, if you like the video, definitely like it. Comment in the comment box below and let me know what you think about this hair. Like, have you tried it before? Would you like to try it? Blah 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 blah. Oh, also let me know what like type of crochet hair that you really like and you feel like looks super natural. This is another thing, you guys. I am looking for some really natural, curly looking crochet hair, and I feel like some crochet hair that I've like reviewed in the past, I like it. I just been on the search, on the hunt. I've been on the hunt for some really bomb curly, and not no short, because I feel like the ones that I have reviewed like are short, and which I love, but I want to kind of step out of my comfort zone, and I want like more longer. I know was it free tress? I've always stayed away from free tress, y'all. I've never tried. No, I tried it was some type of curl I tried, and it just was an epic fail for me. And I think it was because I didn't know how to put that hair in, because you know, with curly hair or when it's silky textured hair and you're trying to crochet it, sometimes it just, you know, if you can't do the simple, oh, pull it in, loop, and da-da-da, it'll just fall out. And I think that was my problem. So if you know any type of really natural, beautiful looking curly hair that's crochet hair, please let me know. And also, one thing that I've been trying to find, like, I've been trying to find like some really nice kinky curly hair that's able to do crochets. You know what I mean? Like, you can use the human hair for crochets. So if y'all know any, let your girl know, okay? Because I'm on the hunt. I'm searching. I'm also starting to search for like what type of blonde would look really good on me. So yeah, anywho, see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.